Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app and select the photos and videos which you want to lock. Now once you select the photos and videos, just tap on More and tap on Move to Album. Now just select Create. Now just create a name for your album. Now once you create a name for your album, just tap on Create. After that, just tap on Albums, and from here you will find the album which we have created. Now just tap on Menu, and from here just tap on Settings. Now at the end of the page, you will find About Gallery. Just tap on it. Now just tap on the version of the gallery a few times until you enable Gallery Labs. Now once you enable Gallery Labs, just go back and tap on Gallery Labs. Now from here, just enable Album Entry Lock and tap on OK. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now, just open the Gallery app. Now, just go to Albums and tap and hold on the album which you want to lock. Then tap on More and select Lock Album. Now, as you can see, we have successfully locked this album. And this is how you can lock photos and videos on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.